Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to make a Telegram channel. Friends, if you want to create a new Telegram channel, then you simply need to open Telegram app. In Telegram app, you need to press on this pencil icon and here you will find the option to create new channel. Now first you need to give your channel name. Add a description to your channel. After giving name and description, press on this tick icon. Now here you can make a public link of your channel. After creating a public link, press on tick icon. Now from here you can add members to your channel and press on this arrow button. Now friends, you have successfully created your new channel on Telegram. Now to promote this channel by sharing the invitation link, you simply need to press on the name. Now press on here to share the invitation link. You can share this link to any group or you can simply copy this link. I have selected two groups. Now press here to send the invitation link. So friends, like this you can very easily make a new Telegram channel and can promote it by sharing invitation link. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.